Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the lock and preparing the essentials. Check settings general about and read carrier lock. Note the IMEI via settings or by dialing *06#. Once done, gather the original SIM and account details for the current carrier because they must verify ownership and eligibility. You should also check account standing and any time-based requirements. After that, call or use the carrier's unlock portal and request an unlock. This is the first actionable step to get the process moving. Next, you submit the carrier unlock request and follow their verification. Provide the IMEI, account holder name, and a contact email. Make sure your account meets any tenure or balance requirements. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation or reference number. Save it. While waiting for approval, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer and obtain the target SIM for testing. After approval, the carrier sends instructions. Make sure to read them, because they often require specific restore or activation steps to complete the unlock. Finally, you apply the unlock and verify success. Insert the new SIM and connect to Wi-Fi. If the carrier provided an OTA unlock, activation should complete automatically. If it doesn't, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to restore or update the device per the carrier's steps. This often forces the unlock. If activation fails, make sure iOS is updated, reinsert the SIM, and retry. If problems persist, contact the carrier with your reference number and ask them to reissue or troubleshoot the unlock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.